Welcome, today I am with Huawei MateBook D15 and I will show you how we can check device and the Windows specification of your laptop. So at the first we have to go for the settings, next we have to go for the system. Right now we have to go for the bottom to about, and then as you can see we can find the specification of our device, of our MateBook D15. Everything is right here. There's like product ID, device ID, our chipset, and below we can find the Windows specification. So you get edition, version, experience, a lot of data. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.